Congratulations! You're well on your way to becoming a master of Excel. But you may find yourself asking, what's next? For many, that answer is Tableau. But what is Tableau? Well, let's take a look at data, the reason you're learning Excel in the first place. Every business has data, from inventory reports to sales numbers to HR information. And Excel is one way of managing that data. But what do organizations use when a big spreadsheet is too complicated, or they want their data to tell a compelling story? The answer for a lot of organizations is Tableau. Tableau takes data from different sources like Excel, SQL, and Salesforce and allows users to create stunning visualizations and compelling stories. Whether you're analyzing voting records, creating dynamic family trees or organizational flowcharts, presenting to your board of directors about the reasons for your huge growth, or enabling your city truck drivers to optimize their snow plowing routes, Tableau can take the mountains of data at your fingertips and make it easy to work with. Which is why over 50,000 organizations rely on Tableau for their data analytics and visualizations. Don't get stuck working with spreadsheets forever. Take the next step for your career and schedule a Tableau class today.